Good morning, children. Let us start our online classes today onwards, children. See question number 1 to 5 from lesson number 1. Attitude is altitude. Come on, look at the passage, children, all of you. Despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted Nick on attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me, adds Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old, he said. I went to my mum crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents went there to look for after me. Yes, children, you are familiar with the passage. Once again, you all read it. Now look at the questions. Why was Nick depressed? What do you mean by phrase cold and bitter? Did he feel so? Why did Nick hate God? It was very hard. What was very hard for Nick? Nick parents joined him in the mainstream school. Do you support their decision? Justify your answer. Come on, children, try to write down the answers for the questions. Come on, start it. Now, children, look at the answers. You need to copy it down in your notebook, children. Why was Nick depressed? Nick was depressed because he was teased and bullied. What do you mean by the phrase cold and bitter? Did he feel so? The phrase cold and bitter means the feeling of being uncomfortable. Yes, Nick felt so. Yes, children, he felt very bad and he tried to suicide also, right? Yes. Why did Nick hate God? Nick hated God because he was born without hands and legs. A person who is born without hands and legs is called as a torso. Very good. It was very hard. What was very hard for Nick? What was very hard, children? Studying in the mainstream school was very hard for Nick. Nick's parents joined him in the mainstream school. Do you support the decision? Justify your answer. Do you support the decision, children? After reading the lesson, you should be able to answer the question. Yes, you definitely support the decision because later he is a very successful man. So you can write, yes, I support this decision as he later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. See, children, once again, you have to write down the answers in your notes. Write question as well as answer. Write question number 1 to 5 on the top. Write attitude is altitude heading. Then note down the answers. Come on, children, after noting down, again restart the video and see question number 6 to 10. The day came. His classmates were leaving for Madras, now Chennai. They were taking a train from Mysore to Madras. They have shared good years in school and college together. He went to the station to say goodbye and good luck to them for the future life. At the station, his friends were already there. They were excited and talking loudly. The noise was like the chirping of birds. They were all excited and discussing their new hostels, new courses, etc. He was not a part of it, so he stood there silently. One of them noticed and said, "You should have made it." Yet he stood there motionless. He did not reply, he only wished all of them. They waved at him as the train slowly left the platform. He stood there even after he could no longer see the train or the waving hands. It was the June of 1962 in Mysore city. Monsoon had set in and it was getting dark. It had started to drizzle. Now, children, answer the questions. The day came. What was this day? Who are they in the passage? Why are they excited? Why did one of his friends say, "You should have made it"? Describe the atmosphere in the railway station. Narayana Murthy was not a part of his friends. Do you agree with his decision? If yes, justify your answer, children. Can you all write these answers? Yes, you can. Now have a view of answers, children. Come on. The day came. What was this day? The day came. This was the day when his classmates were leaving for Madras, now called as Chennai. Very good. Who are they in the passage? Why are they excited? They are Narayana Murthy's friends. They are excited as they are going to join IIT. Why did one of his friends say you should have made it? One of his friends said that he should have made it because Murthy was standing alone there. Yes, children, we know he was standing alone there because all his friends were going, but he was not going. So one of his friends observed him and said that he should have made it because Murthy was standing alone there. Describe the atmosphere in the railway station. How was the atmosphere, children? At the railway station, his friends were excited and talking loudly like the chirping of birds. When you are happy and you are going somewhere, how will you all talk? How will you all be excited? Same way his friends were also excited. Narayana Murthy was not a part of his friends. Do you agree with his decision? If yes, justify your answer. Yes, I agree with his decision. As we all know that he was a brilliant boy and he was very much interested to join IIT. But due to his financial conditions, he could not join. So, he was standing all alone. It was a right decision, right? Yes, I agree with his decision as he was interested to join IIT but couldn't make it. So children, question number 6 to 10 also you have to write in your notebook, children. So tomorrow 1 to 10 you should be ready with the question number 1 to 10. Thank you, children. Take care.